What's going on, guys? My name is David Massey, and I'm going to be showing you different versions of some tornado kicks. So there will be chapters, so you guys can go through this accordingly. So what I want to show you guys is there's different ways of doing a tornado kick. We'll do one while we're standing still. The first one is you're standing still. You're spinning in place with one foot going up in the air, and as that foot's up in the air, you're going to jump switch and then kick with the other foot. So all you're doing, and there's different variations. You have axe kick, you have crescent kick, you have round kick. We're gonna do the round kick for this one, okay? We're gonna start with the round kick. 1, 2, I'm gonna hold just like this, all right? It's very difficult. It's very hard to do that. From here, taking my knee, laying it flat, and I can either kick the stomach, I can either kick the neck, I can kick the head, stuff like that, okay? So I'm here in my stance, 1, 2, and I'm back. I do it again. 1, 2. And I'm back. I do it again. 1, 2. Now with the tornado crescent kick, same rules apply, just like the jumping round kick, just like the round kick. Twist, knee comes up. Now jump switch. You're gonna actually take your foot, go in a circular motion, and you're gonna land on the chest or across the face, okay? The reason why is because you're putting your whole foot on the guy's chest, and you're driving that foot down. All your weight, man, is going here. Boom, right into that kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tornado axe kick. Super fun still. This is still linear. As I'm here, twist. Knee comes up. I'm going to jump switch and make sure this foot goes right near my leg. Because as I cross, I'm dropping my heel on the chest or the head here. So I'm here. 2. 1, 2. I'm going to jump, go right to the shoulder. Boom. And I'm going outside inside. Okay, I'm going outside inside. If I didn't say that earlier, my bad for that. But I'm here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as I kick, I flick my foot up for the tornado axe kick. So I'm here, flick, up, drop. Remember, when we step into these things, we have the spinning, okay? We have the spinning, jumping round kick in place. We have the normal tornado kick, where it goes right across the face. And then we have the axe kick, where it drops straight down, not across. Now, we're trying to gain the distance or close the distance, right? Taking my foot, back leg comes in, I step. Then, look where I am, right where I need to be. Turn, lift, jump, kick. It becomes this nice little fluid motion. I want to go higher, but I don't want to hit anything. But yeah, that's pretty much the self-explanatory piece. You just step into it. Same thing on this side. 1, 2, boom. I'm here. 1, 2. All right. I have a lot of fun with this stuff, but we're limited to room. Not much I can do here. But like I said, go check out my Patreon. Those are the ways of the kicking of tornadoes. If that made any sense. But thank you for watching. Go check out my other stuff if you're interested. Kamsahamnida. Thank you, guys.